Oman is quite big, but the place that seemed to interest visitors most is Muscat. Scenically wedged between mountains and ocean, with old forts and excellent museums, an opera house and flower-filled parks, the gentle city of Muscat is a delight to visit. Its name means safe anchorage, and the sea plays an important role in city life to this day, sustaining the fishing industry and providing opportunities for visitors to swim from sandy beaches or dive with turtles in nearby lagoons. The capital of Oman is a breath of fresh, Persian Gulf sea air. Muscat is famous for dazzling souks and superb seafood, but its terrain brings the biggest thrills. This Middle East port city is a great place to trek deserts at dawn, spot dolphins at sundown, and enjoy plenty of Omani hospitality. Here is why you need to visit Muscat, Oman. Muscat as the capital of Oman and a city with good flight connections make a rather nice city break. Surrounded by desert and mountains, with an access to a sea, it gives quite a few interesting options for visitors. The city is quite conservative in nature, asking of visitors decorum in dress and manner, but in return it offers a warm sense of Omani hospitality and an opportunity to connect with the country's rich heritage.